I think recording has started. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to start with Bhani Nakshatra. Yesterday we studied about Ashwini Nakshatra. When moon is placed in this Aries Rasi, then the person can be maybe may have Ashwini Nakshatra, Bhani Nakshatra or Kritika Nakshatra, right?
Yes.
It depends upon the degree of moon. If moon
Yes.
is having degrees 0 to 13 degree 20 minutes, then the person is having nakshatra as Ashwini.
Yes.
No doubt?
No
Clear?
doubt. No doubt.
Clear?
Clear. Yeah.
So if the degrees of moon is like 13 degree 21 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes, then it becomes Bhani Nakshatra. The person is born on Bhani Nakshatra.
Yes.
Okay, you can note it down also. Uh,
Yes.
so the ruler of Bhani Nakshatra is Nakshatra Lord is, you know, who? Venus.
Yes.
So these people have got the energy of which two planets? One is definitely Venus because as it is the Nakshatra Lord. So these
Yes.
people have the energy of Venus. Since it is
Plus
Aries
Mars.
Rasi, so definitely Mars will also come to the picture. So these people
Exactly.
have energy of both Mars and Venus.
Yes.
So in
Yes.
normal astrology also, if Mars and Venus is sitting in one house, what does that signify? That signifies the person is very sexual in nature because Mars is energy. Mars is like doing things, action. He doesn't think so much. He just loves doing action. And Venus is all about opposite sex, pleasure, bed pleasures, luxuries in life. So this combination shows that the person is very sexual in nature. The person always craves in a relationship, they always want sex. Okay, these people
Yeah.
always they can indulge in alcoholic things, also drugs can also, if they like, they always want pleasure out of life because the Mars energy is with them. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. I can hear you.
So if the Mars energy is with them, na, so they just try to get every pleasure out of their life because pleasure is Venus.
Mm-hmm.
Venus is trying to
Mm-hmm.
give that these people pleasure of life. So it can
Okay.
they can get it from opposite sex. They can get it from alcohol, drugs, like things. So these people have this negative kind of mindset because Mars is influencing them. So
Mm-hmm.
very
Mm-hmm.
secretive, very secretive.
Mm-hmm.
Since Mars rules the eighth house of zodiac, so these people generally are very eighth house. You know, deep secrets, so hidden things. So these people are very hidden. You cannot like a
Mm-hmm.
detective, like a somebody intelligence bureau people, because Mars energy is with them and Venus energy is with them. So these people make very good psychologists. Okay,
Oh. Okay.
psychologists, they
Okay.
can, because their mind is so deep, they can go so deep inside their own brain and also can judge people very good. So if they take psychology as a subject, they can do very well because they can read
Okay.
people mind. Mars gives that energy
Okay.
plus Venus also. Because of
Okay.
this tendency of Mars and Venus to indulge in luxury, these people, no, sometimes struggle in life
Mm-hmm.
because they just indulge in such activities, negative activities. They find a lot of struggle in life. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
symbol is
Okay.
elephant. The symbol is elephant.
Okay.
So that means they are very slow in nature. Because Venus is generally slow. He's like yeah,
Steady. Not slow. Steady nature.
steady. You can say steady.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah. The correct word is
Mm.
steady. Slow and steady type of like elephant. Okay, he is not very
Yeah.
quick, very fast. But when it comes to pleasure in life, now they are very active.
Mm-hmm.
That's the difference. They want to
Okay.
get pleasure out of life. So this is
Okay.
all about Bhani Nakshatra. For this materialistic world, for this Kali Yuga, this is very good Nakshatra because you
Okay.
get all the pleasures out of life. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. So let's come to Kritika. Kritika is the if moon is from 26.5 to 10 degrees.
Okay.
See, when I say each house is consists of 30 degree. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Each house
Yeah.
is 30 degree. So 13.2 into 3 is
Okay.
each nakshatra holds that much of position. Okay, Vanni, like here Vanni is 13.2 to 26.40, so 13.20 degrees Vanni has. Okay, with
Okay. Okay.
in this Aries nakshatra, Aries Rasi. So similarly, Kritika holds 26.5 Aries. You can say 26.5 degree Aries to 10 degrees Taurus, because
Okay.
Kritika will also have 13.2. So like that, it will fall here. Kritika some
Okay.
degrees will fall in Taurus Rasi.
Okay. Okay.
So that means uh, this Kritika people, the Lord is Sun.
Yes.
The
Kritika is
Lord is,
ruled by sun. Yeah.
yeah, Nakshatra Lord is Sun. Sun,
Yes.
very like Sun is creative, Sun is energy, Sun is health, willpower,
Hmm.
Sun is immune system. So these people are very healthy, okay,
Okay.
because they have
Okay.
also got the energy of Mars. Kritika Nakshatra people also getting the energy from Mars, na? Because some parties
Yes.
here, Mars, also Venus, Mars plus Venus, Venus because this Taurus Rasi,
Yes. So
and
it is already spreaded into next
yeah,
sign. So Mars plus Venus plus Sun we are taking.
Mars plus Venus plus Sun I have written here. Mars, these people have got the energy of Mars plus Venus plus Sun. Since Mars and Sun are two very active planets, two very energetic planets. It's one is courage, the other one is light, energy, the whole health. So these people generally have a very healthy body, and they are very creative. Sun and Venus combination creative in nature. Same goes with Moon
Okay.
and Venus. So these people are
Okay.
very creative in nature. Mars gives them a lot of bravery. Uh, these people are very truthful. You can say Kritika people are very truthful because of Sun. Sun is very
Okay.
truthful in nature. So these people are very truthful. They are leaders, born leaders, you can say, because of Sun. The Nakshatra Lord is Sun. This they become very good politicians because Venus energy is also with them. So they are very Sukracharya. They have all the knowledge. So these people,
Hmm.
since the Venus is there, and they are very creative, Sun plus Venus energy, they become very good designers. Okay, they can design things.
Okay.
Creativeness comes very natural to them. Okay, uh,
Yeah.
strong
Got it.
willpower. The symbol is a sharp object like a knife,
Knife. Yeah. Yeah. So it is not
because
good. Nakshatra. It is
uh,
not sharp knife. Cut always. No.
no, why they
Knife
cut
is cutting.
like they're very ruthless. Why? Because Sun and
Yeah.
Mars energy. Two energies are there, not the Sun and Mars energy. Very truthful, very ruthless. They
Hmm.
will just speak in front of you what you are. They will not hide. So very
Hmm.
ruthless. You may also
Okay.
feel bad while talking to them. Very ruthless.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
they are not afraid of
Okay.
saying the truth. If you are
Okay.
doing a bad job and your boss is of Kritika Nakshatra, he will just scold you like anything. Okay, if you have made a mistake. So
Yeah.
Kritika
Yeah.
Nakshatra
Maybe.
are very truthful, very ruthless, uh, strong leaders. Okay, let's
Okay.
come to
Okay.
Rohini Nakshatra. See, Rohini, the moon itself is a long one, and the degrees of
Okay.
moon here 10.1 to 23.2.
Two. Okay.
Yeah. So, Lord, Nakshatra Lord is the moon itself, and the energy of moon and Venus will come automatically because it's completely falling under Taurus Rasi. So, complete Venus energy, complete moon energy. So, these people are very, very artistic, like
Okay.
poetry, like singers. They are very, very good looking. Like if he's a male, he's very handsome. If he's a female, she's very, very beautiful. So these people, because moon itself is a very beautiful planet. Similarly, Venus
Okay.
represents beauty. So these people are more artistic. Like they can become models, or they can become uh, film actors or singers, excellent
Okay.
painters, poets.
Hmm.
So these people can become like this. If they can also do business of beauty parlor because Moon and Venus represents beauty parlor. So
Okay.
these are all about beauty, arts,
Okay.
art. Okay, so their mind
Okay.
is all about that. They are not into practical things like science, physics. rocket science and all those things, Newton laws and all those things. They are into artistic part of life, like poetry. Okay, Venus
Yeah.
is the karka
Yeah.
of vehicle. These people enjoy vehicle a lot. They love to drive cars, luxury cars, and all this because they get money because natural karaka Venus is of wealth and Moon and
Okay.
Venus. So Rohini people are generally rich.
Okay. Okay.
The
So
symbol is
Rohini is a
its,
moon sun.
yeah,
So
Moon and
moon
Venus.
sun. Yeah.
Moon and
Yeah.
Venus. Symbol is chariot, like the king drives
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
chariot, na? Like that.
Chariots are driving chariot. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
very beautiful chariots. So Rohini represents that. Let's come to Mrikshira.
Okay.
Okay. Mrikshira, see, Mrikshira, the degrees are of moon 23.2 to 6.4 degree,
Okay.
Gemini 23.2 degree Taurus, 23.2 degree Taurus to 6.4 degree Gemini. So their energy is split now. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah. Because
they
it's
have,
also sharing Mary Mercury. Yeah.
yeah, so Mercury also come into the picture. They have got the energy of Mars because
Yeah.
the Lord is the nakshatra Lord is Mars. Okay, Mrikshira.
Yeah.
So they will get different the energy of Mars. Mercury is there because Mercury here in the Gemini, and for Taurus it's Venus. So they have got three energies with them: Mars, Venus, and Mercury.
Okay.
Since
Your voice is
Mercury,
little disturbing, breaking. So keep your microphone close to your
okay,
mouth.
I'm saying that they have got these three energies with them. One is Mars, the other one is Mercury, and the other last one is Venus. Okay, these
Okay.
three
Okay.
energies rule them. So these people, since they have Mercury, these people are very good in business. Very good. They can do multiple
Mm.
business in one go. Like some people struggle to do one business, they will run a beauty parlor, they will run they can run a fast food shop, a restaurant. So they can do multiple business at a time because Mercury
Mm.
here gets energy from Mars, Venus.
Okay.
So these people
Okay.
get a lot of energy from Mars. Mars is a nakshatra lord, and Mercury gives them great communication, great salespeople, very great salespeople. They can sell anything to you. Okay,
Okay.
very like the
Okay.
symbol is a deer. Deer is a fast moving animal. You cannot catch a deer. Okay, so these
Okay.
people are very fast moving. Okay,
Okay.
they will do multiple business. Their mind is very sharp. Because see, third house, in generally is like that Mercury in itself is about communication. Okay,
Okay.
sharp intellect.
Okay.
These people can do any kind of business. Very good at dealing with
Okay.
people and businesses. So
Okay.
this each day we are going to study 4 to 5 nakshatras. So next class we'll
So what
discuss.
about that? I think Kritika is pending, no? Kritika 26 5.2. We have to see the other way around. No?
Sorry.
Kritika Nakshatra, we are discussing in Aries from 26 degree to
10
the next
degree.
degree 10 degree. So it falls under Taurus
Both,
sign also.
uh,
So
both.
both we had to consider. Okay. Okay.
So the
10
energy.
degree means that the first 10 degree. Oh, okay. Okay. I got
When
it.
I'm saying Kritika 26.5 degree Aries, you have to say like this: 26.5 degree Aries to 10 degrees
Mhm.
Taurus.
Okay. Okay.
So Venus comes down. The energy of Venus here also comes because 10 degree Taurus
Yes.
is there.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Got it. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. So this way we have to discuss. Each day we are going to cover 4 nakshatras and we are going to complete the nakshatra series. Then straight away we are going to discuss about advanced astrology. Okay. We will take each topic like marriage
Okay.
issues and all
Okay.
those things. Okay. Let me stop this recording.